Howdy, howdy, everyone. We're at an anniversary party. We're over at the Grand Traverse Commons, and we're at Earthern Ales, and they're celebrating their 9th anniversary. Hello everyone, welcome to this edition of Craft Beer and Michigan Brewery Spotlight. We're over, as mentioned, we're at Earthern Ales. Baby Yeti and I have made our way over, and we've got a really great beer for you to enjoy. It's their Winter Red. Let's get that logo in there. It's their Winter Red. It's 5.6 in the alcohol. And it says it's a nice malty brew. It's a nice stormy day in northern Michigan, and unfortunately I looked at the weather forecast and it's going to be this way for quite a few days. We're going to have this lake effect snow going on. But you can still get out to your breweries, you can still enjoy what they have to offer. So when we look at the beer, great color. You can tell that it's been filtered. You can look all the way through it. We can see that. We've been talking too much, so the head's gone down, but look at the legs on that glass. All right. When I take it to my nose, let's see what I get. Getting a little maltiness. Very, very, very nice. All right. Cheers, guys. And welcome to my channel. I hope you've subscribed to my channel so you can go along on my adventures. Alrighty. Let's take it to our lips and let's see what we get today. Ooh. Nice. Malty, yet medium body. A little bit of a dryness, and I've got a little bit of a caramelization, not a ton. So it's not really a bold, big, bold, beautiful beer, but a really nice, enjoyable, drinkable beer. Here at Earthern Ales right now, the place is packed. They're doing brewery tours. Very festive. You can tell by the background noise. Got a lot of things. I had a hard time finding a seat. I had to wait until some people left so I could get a seat at the bar. So let's get another sip of this. Yep, I like the caramelization. I like the body, really easy, smooth, easy drink. So definitely a beer if you want more than a light beer, but you don't want to drink a heavy beer. I consider this a nice all around. Look at the legs, fantastic in the glass. So happy anniversary to Earthern Ales. 9 years. Wow. Seems like it's just yesterday when this opened up. They've got a great following over here at the Grand Traverse Commons in Traverse City, Michigan. So please hit the like button and go along on my journeys here. You know, guys, if you're going to have a beer, make sure you have a good one. Alrighty, everybody, we're getting ready to tap the tap at Earthern Ales down here. All right. Let's get that first. News flash, everyone. Down here on their birthday or anniversary special, they tapped a keg, which you get to see that video, and we've got the beer. So here's what it has to say about it. Get my finger out of the way. All right, 5% cold press IPA. Beautiful golden color. Nice little head on it. Ooh, I'm getting a nice hop. This has got experimental hops in it, by the way. It's a unnamed hop. Jamie was able to get some and makes it a little extra special. So the hops are there. All right. Cheers again. All right. Ah! Beer abuse. Got to move my Yeti. Nice and light. The hop level is not overly strong. Not a lot of carbonation. Of course, it's been in the cask, so it's always lower carbonation that way. Good flavors. Easy to drink. There's a little bit of dryness in the mouth. That just happened. My mouth just dried out. Very, very, very nice. A good second beer. And very small cask, so it's not going to last very long. Jamie and Andy, thank you again. Congratulations on 9 years, and we want another 9, and we look forward to whatever you're going to do on your 10th anniversary. So we're at Earthern Ales in the Grand Traverse Common, Traverse City. If you're going to have a beer, everyone, make sure you have a good one.